Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create Google Sheets. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets app. Then make sure that you have downloaded or installed the Google Sheets app on your phone. And if you want to create Google Sheets, you can simply click on this plus button. Then there will be two options for you. You can either choose template from Google Sheets or you can create a new spreadsheet. And if you want to choose template, you can simply click on choose template, and there will be a lot of templates you can use. You can choose to-do list template or calendar or schedule. It's up to you. And if you want to create new spreadsheet, you can simply click on new spreadsheet right here, and you can edit the Google Sheets as you like. Alright guys, and that's how we can create Google Sheets on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.